Hey, what's up, traders? I know I haven't done a trade of the week in about 3 weeks. Been really busy and haven't actually been taking that much trades. The trades I have been taking have been swing trades, which are, some are closed last week and some I'm still holding. So I couldn't do a trade of the week on them. However, this week we did catch a trade of the week on gold. As you can see here, we had this set up. Okay, so minimum was looking to gain at least 200 pips from it. Okay, as you can see here, targeted 1900, which is a quarter point. If you know about quarter points, you know this is the psychological level that we'll aim to target. Okay, so how did this play out? Okay, as you can see, we had the entry right there, very precise entry, very precise. I think we had like no drawdown on it. Okay, so you can see here, that was the entry that was aiming for. Okay, came into it. I don't think there was literally no drawdown on this entry right here. It just literally tapped it and it just went. Okay, as you can see, there was aiming minimum for 200 pips, but as you can see, done just over 280 and counting. Okay, so you can see it was aiming for 1900 over here, and finally it did hit 1900, and we're floating now. So as the week goes on, we'll be looking to see you can continue taking this up. As you guys know, I've got like 3 gold charts. So on this chart here, I simply use my quarter points. Okay, so on this chart here, you can see we hit 1900. And next I said, could we potentially hit 1950? Okay, so I expect gold to keep rising just due to the pandemic and due to other fundamental aspects. I'll expect us to keep rising. Okay, so as you guys know, I've posted my WACO schematics on here prior. Okay, so we had the whole phase since 2016 and it's been doing it successfully. Okay, we had this target here of hitting firstly 1950 and we smashed right through it. Then we had a weekly candle over there was looking to potentially sell from if it did play from there. It didn't. I expect this to keep rising. Okay, so you can see here, I'm targeting, well, 300, and that'll be my next target. Okay, simple fibs, okay, measured moves, the whole lot play into it, but I'm targeting next, okay, 300. Okay, so that's where we'll be targeting next. So we'll be seeing if this could keep rising. And like I said, with fundamentals and everything going around that, I wouldn't be surprised. So maybe if we get 300, maybe we can now get a retracement. Okay, we've been long overdue this. Okay, so maybe when we hit 300, we could potentially get a retracement back into here. Okay, playing with our monthly levels, playing with our psychological numbers, and we'll see if we can actually potentially rise and keep going to maybe 700. But who knows? Right now, we're breaking past these levels, so I'll be wanting to firstly take out this high over here at 1915 or maybe 1920 and see how price reacts once we do break that price level that we had in 2011. So a very interesting trade, and it's played out quite well. Okay, so we've been buying it since around here. If you got my trading view, you see how much it's up, and we've been buying this since around here. Okay, so we'll be seeing if we can actually reach 300. So once again, the trade of the week was gold. Very nice trades, very, I won't say easy, but just understanding the way we trade, was able to actually get like 0 drawdown entry. Okay, so we'll be seeing how this plays out during the week. I'll be expecting to keep rising, so we'll be looking for potential entries to keep going. Okay, so you can see here literally like no drawdown, and then we just kept on going. Okay, so who knows, maybe next we can actually target 1950. Okay, maybe next we could target 1950. So we'll be seeing how that plays out. Okay, so what was the other trade of the week? Okay, the other trade of the week was this NAS 100. Okay, so it didn't quite get to exactly my second TP, but you can see how this played out here. Okay, very nice entry through here. Again, target TP1 was smashed through, and then we created more liquidity just above, looking to fill the IPA just above there, but it didn't quite reach into that zone. If we go to the NAS 100 right now, okay, you can see, I've taken it off now because it didn't quite reach the new highs that I wanted. So I'll delete that trade, but you can see how I wanted it to come down into here and then rise up into this IPA area, but we already got the first TP hit. Okay, so that was the second trade of the week that I very much liked. Okay, so as you guys know, if you want to learn with me, you can find the website below, click through that, and you could book one-to-one sessions, or you could simply purchase the course, and you'll be seeing exactly how you can learn to get precise entries such as this that we've had during the week. Okay, very precise, literally no drawdown, and then away we go. Okay, so you'll be seeing how this plays out during the week. Okay, I'll be expecting re-entries to then take us to potentially 1950, but we'll see how that goes. But that was literally the trade of the week. So we had a very good week last week, and then we'll see how this week plays out. But happy trading. Wish you the best trading week, and we'll see how gold goes until 1950. Until next time, take care. God bless.